And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this Type-C to Lightning PD fast charging connector. You may be wondering what this is. Well, it'll turn a regular USB-C cable to charge a phone into a Lightning cable to charge an iPhone or an iPad, whatever you need to charge with a Lightning port. Nothing to really show you around the box. Let's open it up, slide it out. Nothing else in there. And just a little instruction guide, which, I mean, you won't really need that. And then this is the actual adapter. So as you can see, it's got this hook so it stays in place or stays on your cable. And then this part just plugs right in to a USB-C port so that you can plug it into a Lightning device. Let me show you. We have a regular USB-C type cable here. We'd take this, slide it over the top like so. That way it doesn't come off. And then whenever I need to turn this USB-C cable into a Lightning cable to charge my iPad, I just take this, plug it right in like so, and boom. Now I have a Lightning cable to charge my iPad. It is charging, as you can see. So there you go. That will essentially do it for this Type-C to Lightning PD fast charging connector. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.